Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry is Fun. Now the question may arise as to why I chose this subject to present in front of you all. The reason being that I think that chemistry is a subject which is omnipresent. What I mean to say is that it is an integral part of our living system and it is the driving force behind all the consumables of our life. We can also say that it is a part of every biological system. Chemical reactions are going on inside our body continuously. We can say so that there are certain biochemical reactions going on during the digestion of food inside our body, in which enzymes also play a very important role. The chemical reactions also take place during respiration. There is the breakdown of the food to produce energy. That energy is stored as ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. That is also a chemical molecule. Everything we see around us is made up of atoms, and thus we can say that it has an essence of chemistry in it. We can also say that chemistry is the pivot of life. We can opine that our life revolves around chemistry and is guided by it. It is also a fact that chemistry is the backbone of most of the industries. We find that in our day-to-day life, the things we use like toothpaste in the morning, then up to the room fresheners which keep us fresh throughout the day, the dyes, food preservatives which we use in food industries, synthetic fibers. These are just to name a few minuscule percentage of total presence which are all chemistry based. Thus, and if we go the industries which are based on metals, where extraction of metals takes place, full metallurgy is definitely a part of chemistry. In our trying times which we are undergoing now, there are many medicines which are saving the lives of the people. These are also a blessings of this branch of science. Now I will just like to share the motivation behind using this YouTube channel to share my resources and whatever little knowledge I have with the students. The main important reason is that this will give me a wider outreach in these trying times. The prevalent situation actually motivated me to share whatever little I know about the subject which may benefit somebody. During the corona pandemic, out of safety reasons, most of the schools had to be closed, though temporarily. Online class has become the norm of the day. So I chose to create videos related to the topics in chemistry which will benefit students. I will try to give a lucid explanation for clarity. I will try to explain various topics in a simple manner so that students will be able to attend questions in any competitive arena. I hope my efforts will be of help to the students. I will also try to remove the haze. Actually, what I mean to say is that there are some basic concepts like stoichiometry, mole concept, hybridization, polarity in the covalent bonds, periodic trends in properties. These are just to name a few, which are an integral part of the subject and needs to be understood in detail. So I will definitely try to have the students a very clear understanding of all the relevant important topics of the subject. Therefore, please subscribe my channel so as to stay updated with the latest content. Thank you.